Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be revealing the teaser of Shapoorji Pallonji Real Estate new launch project with the code name Zest, located in Mulund, Mumbai. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project right in front of the sales office. And this over here is the actual land parcel of the project. You can also have a look at the main road and the neighborhood of the project. In this teaser, we will be discussing about points like project overview, location and connectivity, amenities, carpet area, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. But first, let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing sites where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. And now talking about the project overview, this project will be spread across the land parcel of 2.77 acre that will have total of 5 towers with 2 basement, ground plus 3 level of podium plus 40 residential floors having 2 BHK and 3 BHK premium residences. And now let's speak about the location and connectivity of the project. This project is located near to City of Joy, ACC Cement Mark Road, Mulund West, from where Mulund railway station is at a distance of 5 minutes walk. Upcoming metro is at a distance of 1 kilometer and you have school, colleges, hospital all within the distance of 1 kilometer from the project. And now let's talk about the amenities. This project has 25 plus luxurious amenities. As you can see in the model, it will have a lavish swimming pool, gymnasium, clubhouse, amphitheater, kids play area, basketball court, tennis court, daycare center, banquet hall and many more amenities within the project. And now talking about the configurations and carpet areas, as said, this project has 2 BHK and 3 BHK residences with 2 BHK in the carpet area of 680 to 750 square feet and 3 BHK in the carpet area of 910 to 1050 square feet. Also, you have Jodi options available in the project. And now talking about the booking process, the booking windows for this project are now open. Meanwhile, the clients can come and visit the site and the sales team will give you complete project overview along with the plans and pricing, and then if the client likes the project, they can book by paying a token amount of 1.08 lakhs. Also, this token will come with exclusive launch discounts and preference in inventory selection. So everyone, this was the teaser of Shapoorji Pallonji Real Estate new launch project named with the code name Zest, located in Mulund West, Mumbai.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.